Hi everyone, so this is a video walkthrough of how to flash your Samsung Galaxy S with new firmware. So this video is going to be divided in 3 parts. Part 1 will be the just downloading and setting up the program Odin, and part 2 will be pretty much all the setup you need to do on your phone, and part 3 will just be the flashing of the firmware. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the file you see selected right there, the i9000 XWJG1, that is the file you download from the website Samsung-Firmwares. And inside that file are the 3 files we're going to use for the flash. Okay, if you see, that comes in a .rar file, so you're going to extract that into a folder, and I have it already right here. Inside that folder you're going to see 4 files. One file, the first file is called code and then that name, and then the second one is called CSC, and notice the EJ1, EJG1, and this one has an RJG1. There's 2 CSC files. You're gonna pick one. You have to pick the Russian file, which contains all the languages. This file does not contain all the languages, so do not choose that one. I'll show you later. And this is the modem file, which will go into the phone area of Odin. Okay, so Odin will be on the website of Samsung-Firmwares as well, and you need to download that program in order to flash. So let's pull up Odin. Okay, so this is how the program looks. Now, Odin requires, in order to flash, you need a PIT file, which has all the pretty much the code to boot your phone. So this will come as well with the link I'm showing you down at the bottom. And right here you see it's a .pit file. That's the one you're going to use for this. Now for the PDA, we're going to go out to the folder we extracted, which is this one, JG1. You're going to use the code file. Then you're going to click open. Then for the phone, we're going to use the modem file. And then for the CSC, we will use this one, the one with the R. Perfect. And I'm going to choose repartition because I want the phone to repartition everything and just erase everything. Just start from factory. Just factory reset. Okay, so we're done with part 1. We have to move on to the phone. Alright, so now we're at the phone. Now, when you're flashing firmware like this, you're going to lose all your data. So I suggest you use an application like My Backup Pro. Just back up all your data and all your applications so you don't have to reinstall everything from scratch and set up your phone. That's what I use. So when we're gonna flash the firmware, we're just gonna shut off the phone, power it off, and you're gonna have to remove both your SIM card and your SD card. Now I don't have an external SD card right here, so I'm just removing my SIM card. Just put back to battery. Okay, now we're gonna boot the phone using the volume down button right here, then the home button and the power button at the same time. And then you're gonna get this downloading do not turn off target. Now, when you look at your computer, you should be seeing this. You should be seeing a COM7 over here. Those 3 checkboxes should be checked. And down here you should have the files that we set up before.